Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I am doing a wash day and protein treatment for you guys. If you don't know, I did have distressed faux locks in my hair for about 2 weeks and it just was time to take them out. My scalp was not really too happy with them, so I just decided to take them out before it got any worse. I was doing research on locks that hurt or just areas of your scalp that hurt specifically while you have locks, and I came to the conclusion that I probably needed a protein treatment to help with that and to help with the elasticity of my hair. Before the protein treatment, you do have to wash your hair, so I'm using my Ren Pure detoxifying charcoal shampoo. I did dilute it in an applicator bottle just to avoid any of it getting stuck in my hair and to also make the application much easier. The first wash usually just helps loosen up any dirt or anything that is on your scalp, on your hair. And the second wash, when you see all the bubbles, is when you are actually cleaning your hair. That's why 2 washes are always the bare minimum. I would never only wash my hair only 1 time. It's simply not enough. See, look at all them bubbles already, y'all. Already. That's how you know you did a good job the first time, when you get all those bubbles the second time. The longer I have my locks, the longer I need to let my hair rinse. I really sit under the shower for a grip, y'all, like a grip. And I also make sure to squeeze all the time to make sure I'm really getting out all of the shampoo in my hair. The directions do say to towel dry your hair, so I just used a cotton t-shirt. This is the first step of the protein treatment. It smelled like hot ass and garbage, y'all. It was honestly terrible, but we're not gonna talk about it. But I didn't know that it was really this runny and liquidy, which was okay. If I would have known prior, I probably would have used an applicator bottle, but I still got the job done. You guys, if you use this protein treatment, you will know if you got it on all of your hair, if all of your hair is hard and crunchy once it dries. So that was the telltale sign that I knew I got all of my hair with this product, because literally every inch of my scalp was crunchy, which is expected with this product. Since the first step of this product will make your hair crunchy, you want to make sure that you are not manipulating your hair in any kind of way while it is drying to avoid any breakage. This is the second step of this protein treatment. It will literally instantly soften your hair. My hair felt so good after applying this, and honestly, I kept thinking to myself, like, oh my goodness, my hair literally feels like butter, like straight butter, and none of this stuff was left in my hair or got stuck in my hair either. It was very easy to rinse out. This second step is a humectant, so That's why it makes your hair so soft and keeps it soft afterwards, because it's literally bringing moisture from the air into your hair. After thoroughly coating and massaging this into your hair, you're going to leave it on for 2 minutes and then rinse it all out. So I am gonna let my hair air dry the rest of the way. I'm honestly really impressed with this protein treatment, y'all, because I feel like my hair just bounced back after having these faux locks in, and the thickness is back, the frizz. My hair was frizzy before, but now it's even frizzier. My hair just feels so much softer, so I'm really satisfied with this treatment. And y'all, just look at my hair. I definitely feel like it's a major difference from before I washed and did this protein treatment. So I'm really happy. And also my scalp does not hurt, y'all. Like, does not hurt at all. The areas where my scalp was super tender before are not tender anymore. The certain locks where if I would pull it a certain way it would hurt, they do not hurt anymore. So I'm really excited. If you guys have had any issues with painful locks or extreme scalp tenderness, I would definitely suggest doing a protein treatment. It doesn't necessarily have to be the one that I use, but I really love it because it's lightweight, and the first step of the protein treatment is definitely not something that would leave residue in your hair or cause buildup in your hair. And I'm gonna say the same thing with the second one. Even though it's a creamier texture, I still felt like I was able to get out all of it without any issues. That's all I'm gonna say for this video. I'm so happy with the results. I'm so happy with my hair and how it feels. I really don't think that I'm gonna go ahead and retwist my hair this month. I think I will participate in no retwist November. We gotta see how that goes. I'm saying this now, but my mind can change within the next couple days. Who really knows? But that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate all the love and the support, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.